This is Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel. Today is Sunday, March 9th, and just wanted to touch base real quick and talk about my experience at the Carolina FiberFest this year, 2024. It was in Raleigh on Friday, March 8th, and Saturday, March 9th. I went for both days. The year before, in 2023, the event was actually free. This year it was $5 for one day entry, and if you wanted to go both days, it was an $8 entry ticket fee. So again, I had the same perception that it was mostly geared towards knitters as well as spinners and weavers. There wasn't a lot of crochet at all, or it seemed to have a few more people that crocheted or that were wearing crochet items, but overall, the vendors really didn't have much crochet things. Maybe 2 or 3 of them had a few crochet hooks, and that was it. A lot of yarn, so that was nice. Again, the yarn is more higher end, kind of exclusive yarn, so a lot of hand-dyed or hand-dyed spun yarn, lots of wool, and there were some other fibers there. So, some alpaca, some cotton, silk. I saw camel and yak yarn as well. A lot of stuff that's very fluffy that they call fleece, which I guess is what they use to spin the fiber or fleece into yarn. So that was cool to see. I'm going to try to see if I can add pictures at the end of this video so that you can see from the event. I did do a little clip on Friday the 8th of a live session where I filmed from the event itself. So I met a nice lady who had a booth there. That's her farm is located in Banner Elk, North Carolina. It's called Farm Family. Her name is where'd it go? Jane Lee Rankin, and it's her memoir of having and running an alpaca farm, and she also has mentioned she has llamas and donkeys and Angora goats. So I thought it was really cool, so I bought the book and asked her to autograph it for me. Hopefully one day maybe I can make it out there and check out her farm. They have tours, so that's the information about the farm and the location and all that. Sorry that it's probably backwards, but anyways, if you want to visit more information for them, I'll put it in the description below, but it's www.applehillfarmnc.com. So there was a social the night before on Friday night from 7 to 9 o'clock. I actually won a door prize, so that was pretty cool, which was this shirt from the Carolina FiberFest. And I think it's actually hosted by a local yarn shop, which is, I'll give a shout out to the shop, which is run by Pamela Hartman. I think that's focusing there. Sorry that I blocked my face. And the shop is called Great Yarns, and it's in Raleigh. I haven't had a chance to visit the shop. And then I didn't really buy much besides the book. And then yesterday I decided to get a kit to make a shawl. It seemed like it had enough yarn. It was really pretty. So that's the yarn. It's all cotton, and it comes with the pattern. It was for $48. I decided to get an extra, and it's cotton. The hand-dyed yarn, I decided to get an extra yarn. Isn't that pretty? An extra hank, just in case if I needed more, because the kit is 900 yarns. And that's the person's information from the shop. Again, sorry, it's backwards. It says it's, the yarn is cotton twist, 3/2 cotton, 225 yards. The same is in there, so this was $12. You can also order from her online. This colorway is called Parrot Lexicon, and she's in Connecticut. Her website is Ellyn, like ELLYN, Cooper's Yarn Sonnets.shop. So that's pretty cool. And I think the colorway in here is obsidian. I haven't opened it. And just in case, if I didn't need to use this extra hank for the shawl, she was nice enough to give me a pattern Granny's Not Square cowl for free, which is made especially for you Fiber Art Studios, so that was pretty cool. Actually, I could probably show the front because it doesn't, the pattern is on the other pages. So, and she also had a shawl pin, which I didn't know what these were, so I got one, a little copper one. So that was nice. And this is her business contact info. And that's everything I wanted to go over about the event. I'll probably try to make another different video concerning putting together a few more days for the crochet challenge. So thanks. Enjoy the pictures. Bye.